Okay, this is the table, graph, and equation homework. I'm going to do the first one with you. It says Eliana plans to visit the fair. She's going to pay $5 just to enter and an additional $3 per ride. Write an equation to show the relationship between R, the number of rides, and T, the total cost. Complete a table and graph to represent the situation from 0 to 5 rides. Don't forget your tables and your labels for the table and the graph. So, I know that this is going to be number of rides. And they said for that to be R. And then T is our total cost. Remember, when you see that word total, that's usually our Y. Okay, in this case, our T. So they want us to go from 0 to 5 rides. Okay, so our rule, well, we're going to have to pay $5 just to get in. Then we're going to have to pay $3 per ride. Okay, now, if we substitute the 0 in, I'm going to actually write that rule up here. 5 plus 3 times each ride. And then I'm going to substitute a 0 in. So a lot of people are making mistakes here. Remember, you have to multiply first, then add. So 3 times 0 is 0. And it's going to be plus 5, which would be $5. So I'm going to follow that rule right down. 5 times $3 for one ride. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 5 is 8. 5 plus 3 times 2 rides would be 6 plus 5 is 11. $5 to get in, $3 for 3 rides, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. $5 to get in, $3 for 4 rides would be 17. And would be 20. Okay, so now look at how nice Miss Flood is. She's got the axes labeled for us. Remember, this is your X, and Y to the sky goes right up there. Now, I know this is my independent variable along the bottom, so that's going to be number of rides. Okay, this side is going to be my total cost. So I'm going to start 0 rides. It's going to cost me $5 just to get in. 1 ride, it's going to cost me $8. 2 rides was 11. 3 rides was 14, 4 rides 17, and 5 rides $20. Now, can you go to a fair and ride 3.5 rides? No, you can only ride 2 rides or 3 rides or a whole number of rides. So because of that, we're not going to draw a line to connect our dots. This is called discrete data when we have to just leave the dots. Now, next question says, what will the cost be for 7 rides? So, I don't have a 7 here or in my table, but I do know it's $5 just to get in, and it's $3 per ride. So I'm going to put a 7 in there. If I solve, I have to multiply first, 21 plus 5. So if I add those together, I will get $26. So now it's just writing that equation. So that's what I'm going to do. I know I'm starting with 5. I know that it's $3 per ride. And in this case, we used an R for ride. And that gives us our total cost. Okay, so now if you flip to the back, we're going to ask you to cross out that graph because the numbers that you get over in this table aren't going to fit on this graph. So I'm going to leave these two for you guys to do. Hopefully the first one helped you. Good luck.